Tuesday, April 21st. Soulblighter's camp, west of the cloud spine. Deranged, arrogant, self-serving, none of these words can fully describe the deceiver. No wonder his army has always been made up of bewitched men and the walking dead. No thinking being would willingly follow him. The deceiver dropped us in the middle of Soulblighter's camp, hoping to attack him by surprise. King Ulrich said nothing of a sneak attack before we left Muthenli. It is obvious the deceiver was acting on his own. We were captured instantly and thrown into rude cells with other prisoners from some unsung battle in the west. The deceiver was caught in the claw of some elemental beast commanded by Soulblighter, but not before he had struck down more than a dozen of the enemy with his magic. We have been in prison for only 9 hours, but already can tell that something is afoot. The whole camp is alive with activity, and even our guards seem preoccupied with some greater purpose. According to the men captured before us, Shiva has returned after crushing all resistance in the west. Perhaps Soulblighter now seeks to recapture Muthenli. If we cannot devise a plan to free ourselves soon, there will be no one left to carry it out. Many of our comrades have been beaten, stripped, and dragged away. We hear them being tortured, and their screams of agony are slowly eroding our morale. The longer we wait, the more difficult it will be just to escape, let alone free the deceiver. I have yet to mention our jailer. It is the devil Fellet, the shade who decimated Avon's grove during the Great War. It is a wonder he has not yet sought vengeance upon us, as he was sorely injured by the deceiver upon our arrival.
That was Fellow, right? What's going on here?
Get us out of here! Hurry, over here! Good on you. I'm moving. Yeah, let's go. I'm moving.
Move over. Ready. Step aside. Stand clear.
Aye. Yeah. I'm moving. Over here. Yeah, over here. I'm moving. Let's go. Shell. Yeah. Yeah. go. Yeah. I'm moving.
We're over here.
Yes?
Yes. I'm moving.
Ready. Got it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm moving.
What took you so long?
Yeah. I'm moving.
Stand
We'll do
here.
it. Let's go. Over here. Let's go. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I'm moving. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving. Over here.
What? Look out.
Yes.
Casualty.
I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah. Yeah. I'm moving.
Yes?
Yeah.
I'm moving. I'm moving.
Yes, sir?
Hurry, over here. Yeah, over here.
Don't
let it get away.
If that thing gets the Soulblighter, we're done for. Step aside.
Casualty.
Ready.
Shell.
Get out of the way. Right, wife.
Casualties. Casualties. Casualty.
Yeah, over here. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah.
Yes?
I'm moving.
Ready.
Let's go. Yeah, over here.
What?
Yes, sir?
Casualty.
Yeah, yeah. I'm moving. Let's go. I'm moving. Let's go. I'm moving. Let's go. Yeah. I'm moving.
What? Where?
Yeah. Let's go.
Yes? Ready. Stand clear. Step aside.
What now?
I'm moving. Over here. I'm
Watch out.
moving.
Don't
Chill.
let it get away!
If that thing gets the Soulblighter, we're done for.
Yeah, let's go. Yes. Chill.
If that thing gets the Soulblighter, we're done for.
Yes. Yes. Let's go. Yeah. Good on you. I'm moving. Over here. Yeah. I'm moving.
Yeah.
Yes, sir?
Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. What now? What?
Yeah. I'm moving. Let's go. Over here. I'm moving. Yeah. Yes. Get back up.
Watch it.
Casualty.
Let's go. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving. I'm moving. Let's go. Yeah.
Kill it
Let's
before
go,
it
yes.
informs its master.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I'm moving. Yeah. He's
Casualties.
I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving. Over here! Over here! I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Over here! I'm moving. Over here! I'm moving. I'm moving. Over here! Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. 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 I'm moving. Let's go. Over here. I'm moving. Over here. Shell. Let's go. I'm moving. Shell. Yes. We'll do it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Over here. Over here. I'm moving. Yeah. Over here. Over here. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving. I'm moving. Over here. Yeah, over here. Let's go. I'm moving.
What now?
Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving.
Yes, yes, now complete the circle. Move over.
Yes.
Soulblighter shall no defeat yet.
Casualty. Casualty.
Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving. Let's go. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir?
I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah. Yeah.
Damus, know that your ruin is upon you, and by my hand rot.
Yeah?
And by what clever ruse will you defeat me, Mordred?
Yeah.
Will you hide
Over
in
here.
my chamber
I'm
pot?
moving.
Take this, you...
I'm moving. Over here. Over here. Let's go. I'm moving. Over here.
I have always wanted one of these.
Yes.
Move over.
Yeah!
Stand clear.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm moving. Over here. Yeah. Over here. I move. Let's go. Over here. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Over here.
Yes?
Move here, move there. Yeah!
I'm moving. I'm moving. Over here. Let's go. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah, yeah. Let's go.
There must be another way.